Hi guys, welcome to my channel Braga Art, and I want to say thank you to all my fans. And in this video I shout out to Michael Manuel, and in this video I collect many 3D art videos, and in this art he painting with a charcoal, and he painting 3D art on the road with a charcoal. Okay, see you in the videos. Okay, start the videos. The lobster painting 3D art. He painting with a charcoal and use some chalk. It's very nice. He adds a color like a real lobster. Wow, so big. Wow, I cannot eat. Bigger than dog. Oh my god. Okay, next video is painting the step in front of his house. He painting so fast, and with his skill, like easy, but not easy. So amazing. Wow, what is that? Because he paint like a real step. Very nice. Oh my god, this big snake, like a big cobra. Oh, a puppy runs so fast. And the colors and painting the detail of the snake. Oh my god, many animal. Many sheep. Wow, you go wrong way. Okay, what is that? That is another one, another place, and another size. It is another art. Wow, very nice. Like a bridge. Okay, it is for place. If someone don't need to play it, I will clean up. Go. Someone can play for free. Okay, see you next videos. What is that? See you another side. Oh my god, look at this. What he painting now? Like a rock. And the colors make the water. Wow, very nice. Go. Running so fast. Cannot go here, cannot go here. Next, another one. See you another one. See you good one. It is the art like a hole. Wow, 3D art hole on the road. Oh my god, it looks so nice. Come. Okay, next. Oh my god, so cute fish. What you saying? Cute or not? I think it's so cute. Oh my god, too scare face, not cute. Oh my god. Come, go or come or go. See you another side. It's a big hole. Make hole on the road to prank someone. Wow, very nice. Very nice skill. Oh my god. Okay, in this video it is finished. Thank you. See you another guys. See you. Bye bye.